man, we're running late. I thought I heard a train engine. I ran in to grab the keys. I can hear the horn. He's coming through town already. We're gonna see if we can get over there. See if we can catch him going through at the crossing here. I was just in Green Bay and I did not see an engine down there. And, oh, here he comes. It's like 502 headed back north. I don't know if you guys can see him there. Thought I heard engine rumbling, but it's like, I don't know. So I went in the house and asked my son if he wanted to go, and he's like, nah, you don't hear nothing. And then we heard the horn. So, oh boy, lots of center beam cars again. There's 502 there, you can see him. Get over here and do a little video. Not a very long one today. That thing rocking there. See the dip in the track. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. It is definitely not a level track. Back there rocking. Look at those cars. Definitely picking up a little bit of speed here. Orange Fred. Alright, if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Wow, things are rocking. Leave a comment down below. Maybe they're just waving by. Have a good one.